Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to be telling you how to make a wither in Minecraft. So basically you just need 4 um, soul sand and 3 wither skeleton heads. Wither skeleton heads are pretty hard to find. Yeah. Yeah, so they're pretty hard to find. There's like a pretty rare chance that you're gonna find one, but I'm creative right now. I'm just showing you how to make them. I don't know, this is kind of like my iron golem video where I don't know, it's pretty easy. I don't know. I like to put tutorials in here, like easy tutorials, and you just have to make a wither skeleton. I find these fun to make because they just destroy everything. So yeah, if you make like 7 or 8 of them, they just obliterate anything in sight, which is pretty cool. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a ton of these. Oh yeah, whoops, I missed that one. I made that one too high. Just that one on the bottom like that, and yeah, it's good. The withers are pretty cool. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed my video. Yeah, this didn't really take that long to make, but still. Hope you enjoyed the video, just some instructional videos here and there, and bye!